Welcome back to the vlog, eh? What the fuck was that? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. Renaissance Man, Renaissance Man, Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. It's a new week, it's a new day, let's get started. We're getting ready to tune the Supra, which is why we have the hood popped open, as you can see. Man, I don't think I've ever shown you the size of this hood. It is massive. Look at this. The hood isn't just the hood, it's also the fender. So, I mean, it's the fender all the way to the other fender. So we have it on trailer charger right now because that's one of the pre-steps, I guess you can say, before you should tune the car. Boring information, boring information. So once we're done with the tune, we're gonna be doing the downpipe as well. So that should be putting out some good numbers, bro. We're also getting ready to ship these out to our client. Look at this. Vossen lug nut locks. Vossen wheel lug nuts. And of course, Vossen billet center caps. Let me show you what these look like. Oh my god. Okay. Let me open it. Careful, Haywood. Careful. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, guys, look at that. Ooh. Oh, and by the way, since Halloween's coming up, we got candy here. So if you guys want candy, so we got candy here. So if you guys want candy, or you got kids that want candy, bring them by. Bring yourself by. We got candy here for you guys. Because, you know, you're part of the EVS crew. I'm going to take care of you. Guys, look what I spelled. It's crew, right? Like EVS crew, but with the K because there's no C in Snickers. Wait, there is a C in Snickers. Do we have it? All right, guys, so you're just going to have to have an imagination. So we got K-R-E, and then since there's no W in Snickers, I just turned the E sideways, so we got crew. EVS crew, you know, because, no, oh, okay, never mind. No, this is the last time I try to do something nice for you guys. That Model 3 that I showed you not too long ago, the red and the white interior, we are now getting it ready to be Clearbra, to be tinted, to be chrome deleted, to be screen protected, to be center console wrapped, a lot of other things, right? So we have it on the lift here. We're getting ready. I will check back with them once things actually get rolling.
When you see that gunk in there, it's soap scum.
Oh.
Can you wipe it out for me? I can't get in there because
Fat arm.
Can you get in there? Yeah.
No, I'm so scared.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
No, I'm so
elbow deep.
Dude, I'm scared, bro. It feels like it's getting tighter. I'm afraid I might get stuck. Seriously.
You're not. You're good. You can reach all the way down. Look, your whole python can fit in there, bro. It's just soap. It's clean stuff. Does that feel slightly sexual?
It feels like I'm in that cow's
Oh! Yeah! You're checking to see how many months pregnant the cows are. It's like a sphincter. Oh. I heard the suction. Oh, it's like an anal probe. Been real deep like.
Okay, what do you think?
I think that'll work.
Have you ever milked a cow?
I have milked a cow. And I was like, I couldn't get the milk out. I thought you just had to squeeze it. Oh!
Will! Where are you going, Will? Will! No! Will! Will! God dang it. Will, where are you going?
My pants fell off.
Why'd your pants fall off?
I forgot to tie it.
Will, why are you always running away from me, bro?
Run.
Where are you going, Will? Stop it, Will! I can see your fat arm sticking out the wall.
I'd never make it on Cops.
Yo, if you could be on any TV show, what TV show would you want to be on?
Man versus Food. Except I wouldn't make it in that either.
There's car shampoo right here.
Why are we not using this? You people use all my products. I had more than half a gallon when I went to Paris. I come back, the damn thing's empty. She's using the last drops.
Oh, then use some of ours then.
Oh my god.
Don't use all of it, but use some of it.
No, I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna use all of it.
New Vossen just came in. Let's do an unboxing. Have I ever shown you guys this? So inside the Hybrid Forge boxes, Vossen has this vision statement, I guess you can say. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this. It's kind of cool. Vossen wheels are designed and engineered and manufactured to be the best performing wheels in the world. We strive to create the leading styles in the industry and take pride in the influence that we have forged. Ah, get it? Forged, like hybrid forged. Haha, nice. These wheels, we welcome you to the Vossen family. Ooh, hashtag Team Vossen. Test for each wheel prior to solid tires. None of which cannot be returned. Very clean. Vossen HF-3 22x9 in, as you can see, the very clean, the very sporty gloss black. Gloss black is a really popular color. Can't really go wrong with it. It's like a 5-spoke design, but it's split into like a V formation. So there's like 10 spokes, I guess, technically, but it's really like 5 spokes split. This is a custom finish for the HF-3. The 2 standard finishes you can get are tinted gloss black, and I believe the second one's called gloss graphite polish. Let's take a look at the wheel closer up. So as you can see in the middle, this is a sport billet center cap that I put on there. By default, the center cap would just say Vossen on there, and it would be the same color to finish. So in this case, it would just be a gloss black center cap. But if you want to upgrade to the sport billet one and just a bit more detail to the design, then you can. It's only like $150 for all 4, and you have different colors to choose from. It's nice. It's cool if you just want to add a little pop of color, especially if you're going for like a nice color theme on your car. I have a love-hate relationship with gloss black. I get why people love it because it's clean, it's sporty, you can't go wrong with it. It always looks good. Like you see these cutouts on the wheel, like these shaved, like these parts where it's shaved down, and there's just details. Like for example, the edge of the wheel here, it's cut lower here and on the side. It's so hard to see that, especially when you're not up close and personal like this, you know, inspecting the wheel. But like far away, the spokes look a lot thicker because it just looks like one blob versus like just this part that I'm touching here. On the bottom here, you have Vossen engraving like usual and a TPMS hole right there. Please show me, bro. What are we looking at?
Honda.
Whoa.
More than you can afford, pal.
944 turbo. You have an interior now.
I do.
How many miles is on this thing?
102,000.
Oh, it looks really, it looks really good for 102,000. Can I drive it? Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I like that. It's like your car can be in cars now.
I know.
You're forth like that, and you're good. Okay, let's do this.
Clutch out, bro. You're so bad.
There we go. Okay, we're going now.
You wanna go say hi to Will?
Come on out, Sonny.
Cut the car, cut the car, cut the car, cut the car.
Look at all this. Who washed this car?
Yeah,
I washed it in like 30 seconds.
dude, look at this paint.
Yes, Will, the paint's not immaculate. It's a 35-year-old car.
It's like a Target top. That's really cool. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this. So we can wrap the center console on the Model 3. So these 3 pieces here are gloss black from factory. Nice and cool, nice and classy, which is all good and everything. But the problem is it leaves a lot of fingerprints and it leaves a lot of scratches too. So we can wrap it in vinyl to a different color, and that way it protects it and it also looks cool. So right now we are doing satin black. We have now finally installed the downpipe on the Supra. Took a little longer than we wanted, but we got it done. We just gotta put everything back, go and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds better than that, because that'd be really bad if it didn't. But anyway, let's get going. That sounds really good. That's crazy. It's like oh my god! Oh my god! This thing can make that noise? Holy shit! That's nuts! For $450, your Supra can sound like that? That's nuts! Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda want a Supra now. Dang, that's pretty dope. Did you like how it sounded, Dustin?
Sucks.
Okay, if you have a Supra and you want your Supra to sound just like that, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want to do and we'll take care of you. Woo! Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. Yo, we want to work on your car, guys, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need, and we'll take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace!